Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today we are going to be doing a spin combination. This one is going to be our pancake spin and our stork spin. So it's going to be really fun, a little challenging. Hopefully you guys have learned these two spins before. If not, I have tutorials on both the pancake spin and the stork spin here on my YouTube channel. You can find those, learn them, and then come back to this video. Now I do want to mention this is a sneak peek into course 8 of the Coach Julia Club, which just launched today. So course 8 launched today. I'm so excited. This has a bunch of really challenging tutorials in it. We started with level 1, which was for those very beginners, and now we've built up to level 8, and this is going to have your loop jumps, your flip jumps, your sit spins, some interesting spiral combinations, quite a lot of footwork, including some various different 3-turn combinations, backward 3-turns. So course 8 is very exciting. And we have an entire chapter on spin combos that are exclusive just for the club. So if you want access, you can go to coachjulia.club, and you can join the community that's there and check out all of my other videos. But today is a sneak peek with our pancake stork spin. Let's look at what it looks like. So we're going to start out with that pancake spin. I'm going to do this going counterclockwise for those right-handed skaters. On the club, we have everything left-handed also. So if you're a left-handed skater and you want to learn, you can go to the Coach Julia Club, and everything is done your direction as well. Okay, so you can learn it right-handed my way here from me, left-handed on the club. So we're going to start out with that pancake spin. A few key things about the pancake spin. You want to get your shoulders really far forward and your hips back. So imagine your shoulders are pushing forward and your hips are pushing back at the same time. Okay, the pancake spin is just like any other sit spin where we're pushing forward with our shoulders, pushing back with our hips. And at the same time, we want your knees to bend and your ankles. So think about your knees and your shoulders going forward, your ankles and your hips going back. So we're creating that zigzag. That's going to be true of any sit position. Creating that zigzag, okay? The variations between all the sits is what you do with your free leg. For me, being a counterclockwise rotating skater, that's gonna be my right leg. So a forward sit is here, broken leg is here, tuck is here, pancake is here. So what are we doing with that right leg? So we're gonna start with the pancake. We're gonna wind up and get into the best nice low pancake position we can. Okay, from there, this combo is not too difficult. I actually love introducing this as a beginner combo because it's not crazy hard. From your pancake position, you don't want to do anything too crazy with your arms. There are some really cool arm positions you can do, but all I want you to do is wrap your arms around your calf. Okay, so you're putting your hands around your shin. You're gonna hold both of them. And from that so you have your free leg in your arms, all we're gonna do is stand up. And if you can stand up and get that tush really nice and tucked under, you're already in your stork spin. Okay, let's put those two together and then we can talk about some arm variations. So we wind up, step out onto our left forward outside edge. We're gonna push those hips back, shoulders forward, make contact with our leg, and stand up into our stork spin, okay? If you can get the pancake, then this is one of the simplest combos you can do from it. Now, once you stand up, you got those hips tucked under, you're holding your arm, you're holding your leg like a little baby. You're gonna bring that right hand up. So again, once you have gotten comfortable with standing up from that pancake and you've got you're cradling your leg in your arms, you can practice letting go of one of with one of your hands. I prefer to let go with my right hand, so that's the leg I'm lifting. I think it looks better if your left hand holds on to your right leg, and then you can give it some drama. If you go opposite, it works. I just don't think it looks quite as well. Let me show you what I mean by that. So in this stork spin, if you let go with your right, I think it looks kind of cool. In fact, if you want, you can even hold your blade. Let me do that with a little motion. It's hard to balance on these things not moving. You can put your hand under. You can see I'm holding underneath. Or if you're a little crazy, you can hold your blade too, okay? I just usually hold my ankle, but if you're holding with your left, you have all of those options. If you're holding with your right, it works. It definitely works. I just personally, for me, like letting go with my right. But you can experiment with that. You can get into your pancake, stand up into your stork, and play around with what arm position you like best. Now, as a little added bonus, there is one more position you can throw onto this if you're feeling extra spicy. So that is something I'm not currently great at, but it's a really, really fun little added thing. I'll show you what I did. So I can do the pancake stork. Once upon a time, I could go into a flag. Not super great at that at the moment, but let me show you guys how to do it in case you feel like getting a little crazy and adding a third spin onto this combo. So we have pancake. Stand up into the stork. You want to put your hand underneath or hold that blade, and then we're gonna let go with the right and push that leg out. Okay, I'm not quite flexible enough for it right now, which is why I can't do it. But if you're stretching, you have nice limber hamstrings, this works. So again, we go pancake, stand up into that stork, put your hand underneath, stretch it out, woo. And there, if I was spinning, you would have a 3-spin combo with the flag at the very end. Okay, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that spin combo tutorial. Now remember, I have a whole bunch more of these exclusive spin combo tutorials on my club, the Coach Julia Club. And in course 8, every single one of those spin combos includes some kind of a sit variation. So a forward sit, a broken leg sit, a tuck sit, or a pancake. And if you want access to all of those exclusive spin combo tutorials, you can head over to coachjulia.club or follow the link in the description of this video to join us over there. I hope I get to see you, so many of you. I've been loving connecting with all of my club members on there. It's so much fun. If you enjoyed this video though, please do give us that thumbs up, and I look forward to reading all your comments in that section down below. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.